It is good to be bought by World Sports Betting. It is good times.co.za. Hello and welcome to yet another weekend. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. It's the second legs of these semi-finals. Orlando Pirates 1, Cape Town City 1. Ngoku siyahamba siya eOrlando kuyokhutha-khuthwana ke ngosibona into yobana ngubani ozawufika kumdlalo kamagqibela kankqoyi phakathi kweqela laseKapa eCape Town City neqela lalapha eOrlando. Lona laqela likhulu kakhulu kuwo wonke amaqela eMzantsi Afrika xa udibanisa ke iOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs. Ngabona ke amaqela amakhulu lawo neqela elidala kakhulu, iqela lembali, iqela leziporho Fondini Amathambo, iqela lemnyama likatata Magebhula uJames Sofa Sonke Mpanza utata wase-Orlando. Qela elikhulu elo, an irresistible brand, one of the greatest brands in African football forever and ever. 1995 African champions Orlando Pirates. Qela elikhulu kakhulu elo, ungalideleli. Ligqibeleke uwina ileague ngo-2012. Siyalikhuthaza ke ngokulo unyaka into yoba khanike nizame nalapha ku-league, nizame nalapha eAfrika njengaqela likhulu. Also, Mamelodi Sundowns and Stellenbosch as well. We'll also talk about that as well. Junior, thank you very much. Welcome again to the brand new weekend. Cape Town City, Orlando Pirates. I'm sure we won't be lying if we say uTinkler uzizwa in a confidence, especially in a performance second half from the first leg. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just.
Ngibona nosoyangena.
So?
Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDisc TV fighting. No one try to fix South African football. Winning a league. You should compete in Alezos at Sepitor.
It's a big team. 1937.
Yeah, no.
1937.
Pirates.
The Coast.
And then into coming from last season, I was very impressed. They
need to start thinking league. They need to start thinking Africa. They need to. Well, it doesn't hurt to think about
understand.
It doesn't hurt to be ambitious about
yes,
it. True. Start thinking about this thing.
Yeah. And they've got qualities.
2012 league, we 95 Champions League, and you are an irresistible big brand in Africa. Start thinking along those lines.
And they've got they are capable. Banama players. They've got the players, but
it doesn't hurt to dream. Think beyond the MTN. We bambi in the last year, we bambi the previous year, bank, but it doesn't hurt to dream. As an institution, it's been too long. 2012 was way too long ago. 2012 manje na 12 years old. I'm footing I'm 12. Yeah, but so 2012 bayakhula manje bangena ku teenage stage. So Orlando Pirates start to think along the lines of e-league, the Champions League. Akusho ukuthi uzayawina, but think about it along those lines. But let's look at MTN 8. Eric Tinkler feeling confident about his team.
Yeah, ufanele ukufila confident. Pound to pound with players more or less the same, and sign players when it has to sign. I think especially specific position. Ebeka need adjusting and getting a striker. But to came it near about to chima up. I'm not too sure what's going. Signing Yamas.
Yeah.
Also the left back. Shot down left back. Then don't let left back.
Just give me a second. Please allow it to come in.
Yeah.
Just you can't let. This is going to be a long video, so children can't sit outside for too long. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. So. Welcome with you and your family. Can we show them on camera? Hello, children. Let's come on camera. Hello. Bye too. Ngenani? Wazani zobungila bantu be camera. Say hello to the people on TV. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you? How's everybody doing? Ask them. How are you doing?
Fine.
There you go.
Hello.
Greet the people on camera. There you go. It's a beautiful family. Thank you, Mr. So. Thank you. Eric Tinkler.
Yeah, ufanele kuba confident uTinkler. When you see players now pound to pound is more or less Pirates. Pirates play now. The only different obvious individual brilliance aside in the Pirates. They've got one of the best young star. I think it's the current best player. South Africa top 5. I see currently.
Quintana Zake is the best. Overall, he's easily in the top 5.
Exactly. Overall, so. Individually as Pirates were that upper hand, but pound to pound I'm a player I'm gonna be fan. If you've got Kamkhelo Mkocho, as ngale game le ngibonile lebe bayidlala. It was two halves. First half uThinkler I think ubonile mistake yakho approach game. You can't allow Pirates baqala iball at the back. Khona undana lo Mchito Sasane very comfortable on the ball. They play sort of deep holding midfielders, deep. But
In defense.
In defense, deep, from deep. As ngisho ngathi it's like
Bayadlala from defense.
yeah, and they hardly lama long pass, akusama long ball. Because accuracy bana with you. So these two players, I think Pirates find pairing, but we need to see them final Sasang. Good player, Mbonile but ngifuna ukumbona makatestwa. If they go central more
defensively.
Yeah, 1v1 Maripol Wellas. Yabo uyambona ukuthi okay awareness I'm not too sure about the development ngiyazi udlalile bo JDR mangilibele ngitrack but proper development Maripol Wellas ngimbonile.
Yeah, because there's a difference between ball playing defender
Yes.
and their ability to defend.
Yes.
So you have to be able to answer those two questions.
Yeah.
Uyayidlala simbonile futhi
Yes, true.
kunama highlights ayigibela naye
Yeah.
stuff like that, which was a good move because he had to get out of that situation.
Yeah.
But how is he defensively? And I think this is a question he's going to have to answer the whole season. This
Yes,
season,
yes.
bazombuza imibuzo kanjalo ukuthi can you deal with aerial balls? Can
Yeah.
you deal with 1v1 against attackers? Mamba kurasha ama attacker, can you deal with that psychologically? I think he's going to have to answer those questions this season. So mbona ukuthi can he answer those questions?
Yeah,
He can be a great player if he can answer those questions.
Yes, right. Ngibonile awareness khona. Kunalaba ekakhava mfana whereby ethola ukuthi lengwenya le uGonzalez ulo. When they play Gonzalez, Magakata in. Lomchitalo, if Pirates, I think, you know, this is very, very serious question, right? Ngibonile awareness. But ngibona timing yes is good. Uyakwazi ukugeleza game reach situation mara ngifuna ukumbona central ngabo 1v1. Yabo when it's tested. Ngifuna ukumbona 2v1 phela sometimes abombulelo they used to do that need to ageleza game and then win 1v1 or 2v2. So nguleko coming to this game begaya allow Tinka Pirates to start the ball at the back. Any Pirates talent mbatha njoba ngishilo positioning yakhe uDlamini Maswangai. I don't think when it's Maxtati Bola, bebangabi kahle. Because talent, I think abanye abantu kunento ekumele bayi observe from my tactically awareness like positioning tactical like positioning yakhe makucala ibhola. Even if when Pirates got the ball, ulandile ibhola mfana. If the ball angithi at the back Pirates team edlala ibhola kune chain. Bamenze extra player. When they start the ball at the back kumele create diamondship. Chain kuba na 2 unda ulomfana uSasani him as well kube diamond shape nakuye but him he'll go right wing forward yeah uyayenza lonto le umbheke or ayoteta ku right back aluse ibhola futhi lapho I think uthinta uthema kayibona these two they play wait for right moment bathola lo mfana umfukeng because ili side bebal overload yilo balibonile mhlambe 5 minutes kuthi umfana uyile lapha look shaking ngoba uthinka ufaka ama wing back wakhe phakathi naye which is umkhize nonyama problem bele yacala khona lo mfana ubamba ibhola and then allow Pirates ukuthi izikore second half different mindset from uthinka ne approach yakhe was different close the Pirates ngale front three 4-3 ile mina ngimazi ngaye close those people immediately yalandela also the defense yalandela Darren Kit must be awake I think usebenzile ngalo ngoba when they got the ball forward passes mawunga checka le game ubuyele back mase ngi analyze ngiblome endlini into emsebenzele first half bekadlala sideways too much makaphethe ball but forward second half ile head Pirates and credit to wing umfana Rose
Rose had a better second.
Rose
He scored the goal and he was forcing Uchayina even before the end of the first half. He's forcing Uchayina to make saves. He was the only functional winger because Gonzalez wasn't working.
That's why also he must try maybe this guy Gonzalez agana striker central he's got speed maybe behind bamthole behind defense bawudlala behind la bakwazi ukuphila ofa ngayo ngoba side eli1 belingasebenzi
la ngishona we need to wrap up this game. Sorry to cut you. What's your feeling about this game?
Yeah, game izophela ngeyo-1. Pirates is going to score first. Umabaso is going to score. Yeah, and Cape Town City but capable. Banama player that can score. Makarin can score. Don't lying in a question.
Right, so 1-1 and then on penalties?
Yeah, Pirates go to penalties and Pirates can Gula is a winner can game.
All right, there you go. Orlando Pirates will go to the final according to Junior. It will be 1-1 during the game. That means it's going to be a draw. And then it will go to penalties, extra time and penalties, and Pirates will win on penalties. That's Junior's, Kanye's predictions. WSB.co.za if you want to make money on all of these matches that we are talking about. On Saturday, Orlando Pirates at home to Cape Town City. On Sunday, it will be Mamelodi Sundowns traveling to Durban to away to Stellenbosch. It's a neutral venue, really. We'll talk about that in a moment. 1-0 Sundowns. There's a lot of pressure on Manqoba Mnqethi. Already we can see that there's a change in approach. Manqoba Mnqethi. What do you make of that? The change in approach, indlela approach ngayo, coaching yakhe Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, totally different compared to coaches enjengopitso. Also Rulani Mkwena. In terms of ukuthi ufuna ukuyishintsha, but those type of players bayijwayele le nto baba-sign because of philosophy club. So totally different. Too many long balls, too many crosses, agna combination. Bajwayele laba bathi uthina, in order for us to score, we need to combine. Putting a very special player on the bench, influential ku Sundowns umshishi. And understand what is it trying to do. So une pressure, right, Mkoleko. Many people are doubting.
Yeah, no, the fans.
Yeah.
The analysts, you guys are very influential, obviously. Nama platforms are influential as I'm an analyst.
Yeah.
And the fans, I see, it's crazy. I'm article palwayo manje. It's crazy pressure, and I'm sure behind the scenes about the kunenkulumo nama former players as well. Although I do think maybe mhlambe behind the scenes khona lokuthi anemnikeni isikhathi in, but I'm sure that there is some degree of pressure behind the scenes.
Yeah, though we Sundowns number player that they are top individually. Sikhuluma national team, not unless it's just Sundowns national team players. About 8 of them started AFCON Safia semi-final ngenxa yabo. Yes, those players need to be coached, but they can win the game themselves. Babonile second half, lengwenya the striker by keeping and as a President Miliko very disappointed.
Yeah, the 1v1.
Capable. So Nguleko coming to this game playing against Stellenbosch, they're speedy. One speed up front. They know how to play Sundowns, even last season, even the season before. Mjela, it's a problem. He was a problem during the week. Ngokukhipha lama spaces. Badlala nga-3 back ku-Sundowns and ba-stretch angazi ukuthi uManqoba tactical as well. Kunama question emele babuza. Siyazi ukuthi ball playing team Rulani ngoba bayi-squeeze le 3. Sundowns my mark, but bekunama gap kule game and you were lucky not to concede even 3 goals kule game khuluma first half. Second half ngimbonile uZami. So going to this game kule badlala Stellenbosch. Now I believe they can beat anyone. Very good team. We need
that's
to
the
be
interesting
honest.
thing as well. Just as you mentioned, that's a good point. Is that actually Sundowns thinks is going to beat Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch thinks they're going to beat Sundowns as well. There's no fear factor for both of them.
Yeah, and they're capable. Look at the players that they've got. So it's an interesting game, but the quality is different the game. I know ukuthi uManqoba uphethe pressure, but umamela abantu bayibamtshela uManqoba Sundowns kunama legend amaningi adlale lapha, kunabo Teko Mlise, kunabo Thiyani Mabunda, there's men Hlompe Kekane as well. The list goes
Godfrey
Sapula,
Nyandoro, yeah,
Yes.
there's so many people around there.
Boardroom iyakwazi ukubamba. So the coach bekumele azambule because first game bamkorele on goal. So second game disaster. He lost the game as well. So manje watch it, mina ngine-feeling uRonani is going to come on egroundini Sunday. Ronani uzovimba. Noma ulimele akaphulanga kahle, Ronani is going to come. February epicheki mina ngimbonile kule game enendlala ngeHighland la neStellenbosch ene bazomtshela ucoach nale way approach game ngakhona ukuthi ayisiyona. Labantu bane speed, defense ethi slow. Sidlala nga-3 back, almost got hiding. Ngaba sina hope kule game. So uye wamamela Ronani on the epalini. You will see different Sundowns, mean according to me. Abazoliqala, but obviously kuzoba ne-speed because they know ukuthi badliwa kule game.
Yeah, they have to score.
Yeah, but enye into disadvantage yeStellenbosch. I know ukuthi bane capable ukuthi bangapitcha number 1. Badlale, it's neutral venue for me. People yonke fan South Africa noma banga pretender, they will love football edlala Sundowns. They will come and watch that game, and I don't think they will support Stellenbosch. Bafuna ukubona beautiful football.
Well, some of those people will just go there to wish Sundowns loses.
But this is over convince Alizab. So Nkuleko sure mina for me Sundowns going to win the game 2-0, 3-0.
2-0, 3-0. I think Stellenbosch is going to score a home goal. I never go to a game thinking Stellenbosch is not going to score at least one goal.
Yeah.
Now, that's going to be interesting. That means Sundowns is going to have to score 2. Well, if Sundowns score 2 away goals and Stellenbosch just score 1, Sundowns win because they scored 2 away goals. So
Yeah.
2-1 is still working, but I don't see Stellenbosch not scoring. Even in the game Wednesday, I thought Stellenbosch were going to score, and they did score. But it's an interesting one. 3 or 2 for Sundowns for you.
3 or 2, and the problem is Stellenbosch, yabo le speed abadlala ngaso kumele babe compose ebhaleni. I think Steve Barker somebody need to tell him. Ba breaker angeke ucede ngespeed. You need to be composed. It's the point le ngicela ulibheke emagame because bekumele bashamaningi kakhulu kule game. So because of equality and that experience and Sundowns, players are going to win themselves this game.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much. Thank you, Junior. So Junior is predicting a final between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. What do you guys think is going to be the final of the MTN 8? Of course, no one is giving a chance to the final of Stellenbosch and Cape Town City. We can't have one. I wish just Sundowns stays or Pirates stays, one of them. It doesn't matter which one. We can't have a final here, Stellenbosch and Cape Town City. However, if they deserve it, they deserve it. There's nothing we can do. We'll support them and we'll cover such a final. It is KTV Disky Times. We're sports betting. Thank you for watching.